This is my favorite eufy security camera pan and tilt. A large joystick on the screen so we can control its movement easily. With 2K resolution, it can do 24/7 continuous recording if you pop in an SD card. Micro USB powered. The power consumption is extremely low. Let me show you. Power meter. It will initialize in just a second after plugging power, and then we'll go through the app. This is a quick overview of the app. We got the naming, status LED, night vision, pan and tilt setting to recalibrate the pan and tilt motor, and continuous recording. So if you get a 32 GB SD card, it gives us 3 days of continuous recording if that's enabled. And pet command. That's a neat feature if you have pets. Video quality, streaming quality, and recording quality for 1080p or 2K HD, which takes more space. Streaming quality depending on your network bandwidth. I just picked auto. Storage, you can also do RTSP to a NAS. So there are tons of flexibility to be utilized. Also supports HomeKit, Wi-Fi connection, time zone setting. So the motion detection is also here, and we can pick a zone for the motion detection. I think that's pretty neat. Person, pet, and other motion. These are the settings available. Motion tracking, if it detects a motion, then it will follow the object. Powered by appears to be high gauge, pretty thick. Rated at 5 volts, 2 amps. So that's a 10 watts charger. Got 2 screws for mounting. Nope. This way.